Hey there, I've recently completed QwikSkills Cloud Essential 101 program, and let me tell you, it has been an incredible journey. I spent 6 months diving deep into AWS, and what really stands out about the course is the hands-on learning. We're talking about 70% of the course dedicated to getting your hands dirty in the cloud environment. They have this unique 2-mentor model, which was really helpful. I had one mentor for the concepts and then another mentor just for the hands-on skills. It was like having my own personal guide through the cloud. And they kept me engaged with regular assignments, assessments, and tests. Plus, the personalized mentoring really helped me whenever I was stuck. They even have us building mini cloud projects and offer support with resume building and interview preparation. They're not just teaching you about the cloud, they're preparing you for the job market. And at the end of the course, I got access to other tech courses on the IBM Learning platform and even received an IBM-certified learning certificate. That was like the icing on the cake. So if you're thinking about a career in cloud computing, I can't recommend QwikSkills Cloud Essential Training 101 enough. It's hands-on, it's comprehensive, and it prepares you for the real world. Check it out.